10 benefits to drinking warm lemon water every morning. Were you aware that lemon juice can be beneficial to your well-being in many different ways? Lemons are full of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamins B complex, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium and fiber. If you're ready to take a lemon juice drink, make sure to first blend it with tea. When you drink it straight, the lemon juice can be harsh on your teeth. Drink it in the morning straight away and wait 15 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This will ensure you get the lemon water's full support. Why should you drink water from lemon? Here are a couple of reasons. Gives a boost to your immune system. Lemon juice contains a lot of vitamin C that strengthens your immune system. Also, your vitamin C level will drop when you're stressed, so taking vitamin C is a good idea for stressful days. Excellent potassium source. Since lemons are filled with potassium, they are great to keep your heart, brain and nerves working smooth. 3. Aids digestion. Lemon juice is good for digestion, as it helps loosen your stomach and remove toxins. It also tends to relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as heartburn, burping and bloating. Cleans your skin. Lemon juice helps the liver work properly by eliminating the bad chemicals in your body. Freshening your skin. Lemon juice also helps to ease the gingivitis and toothache. But, as lemon juice is hard on tooth enamel, after drinking lemon water, do not brush your teeth, or instead brush them right beforehand. Keeps your skin blemish-free. In lemon juice, antioxidants can help to reduce blemishes and wrinkles. To lighten them, it can be used on scars and age spots too. Because it drives bad chemicals out of your blood, it will keep your skin glowing as well. Helps you lose weight. Because lemon juice has pectin fiber, it can stop you feeling hungry and help you lose weight in this way. Reduces inflammation. When you drink it all the time, lemon water will minimize the body's amount of acid, and stop you from getting sick. It also prevents inflammation by doing away with the uric acid in your joints. Gives you an energy boost. Lemon juice provides energy for your body when it reaches your digestive tract. It can also help in reducing anxiety and depression. Even the scent of lemons will help relax the nervous system. Helps combat viral infections. One of the easiest ways to lessen viral infections is to drink lemon water and soothe the sore throat they carry with them. It can also combat the infection at the same time, because it helps keep the immune system up. Lemon juice has so many wonderful benefits, and this is also the simplest, greatest change you can make for your well-being. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share your friends and subscribe to my channel.